Legislative IQ. Increase your legislative intelligence with Florida's policy, budget, and campaign monitoring service. Subscribe today at legislativeiq.com.
Governor Rick Scott is in a constitutional battle with the League of Women Voters over whether he can appoint 3 new Florida Supreme Court justices.
Well, I'll appoint 3 more justices the morning I finish my term.
The case has been argued before the Florida Supreme Court. Scott has filed a motion to have Justice Barbara Pariente disqualified from the case after this incident with a hot mic.
Beyond the issue.
Where is he?
Izzy Reyes is on there. He'll listen.
The comment was made while the justices looked at and discussed a list of people who will nominate future judicial candidates. The audio is intermittent and unclear at times. Scott's attorneys argue due to the context of the conversation, it can only be assumed the word crazy was directed at either Scott or one of his appointees. Scott says it's enough evidence to suggest the justice is incapable of rendering a fair verdict in the case. Scott also included in his motion comments the justice made back in 2012. Justice Pariente was quoted during her retention election, saying a vote against her retention will give Governor Scott the right to make his appointments, which will result in partisan political appointments. Damian Filer with Progress Florida says the argument's weak.
What she said was that if she and others up for merit retention weren't retained, that the governor would make partisan political appointments. That's just factually accurate. That's what governors and presidents do.
It's up to Justice Pariente as to whether she'll disqualify herself. In Tallahassee, I'm Jake Stofan.